give you a skill. This is a skill, not a tool, not a strategy that you can walk away with for yourselves. And so it is, and you've probably seen this on social media, but it's a really good tool for distraction. And the reason why I'm going to ask you to distract yourself is that sometimes the weight of white supremacy will think that we have to get involved and we have to solve it in this moment and we have to be the voice of reason. And sometimes we just need to be at peace and calm, and we need to be safe ourselves. And so it is considered 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's really about, and I'm going to just add 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And I'm going to give that to you in a second. And so really what it is your 5 senses. And so it's really being attached to those 5 senses. So 5 things that you can see in your space. If you really want to up your game, you do 5 things that have a certain color. So that way you can really be distracted, right? But for just starting point, you're going to do 5 things that you can see, 4 things that you can touch, 3 things that you can taste, right? And this is a little harder because it's going to challenge. You might say, I can take, like sometimes when we smell things, we can taste it, right? So you're going to have to really think about it. But what it will be doing is it removes you and distracts you. All right, so I got 5, 4, 3. Which one then I'm on? 2? 2 things that you can hear, right? So 2 things that you can hear in the space. And then 1 thing that you can touch. And then I would hope that that 1 thing you touch is yourself and or something like, and for me, that can be just as simple as holding my hand in the moment and or looking like I'm hugging myself, right? So just being able to do that 1 for touch. And then 0, I want you to do an affirming statement that reminds you that you are safe and that you are enough as you are. And so that will be our skill that we walk away from. That will be for you to use individually, pass it on as much as possible, take opportunities to practice it prior to an incident of white supremacy that's harmful, but just be very willing to acknowledge that we all deserve to be safe. And sometimes we have to take our safety back.